بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. All my students, I'm teacher Yusra, the mathematics teacher. All my students, grade 1, how are you? I will miss you so much. Today, inshallah, we want to start a new subject. The subject is math. The topic is talking about a measurement. The topic is talking about a measurement. So, measurement of today is talking about a unit of a length. A unit of a length. Sorry, a unit of a length. You know the length. وحويان درركا. Length is when we use something that told of the something to classroom, your book, your exercise book, and we have units for every length. Number 1, and with the picture, is hand span. Hand span is when you use your finger to measure something. For example, you can use it fingers for measuring your table, or your maths book, or your pencil. And I think we do some exercise in class like this. Number 2 is a hand. Use your hand. Start from first up to the start from 1 and end. So all is your hand, and sometimes we use a hand. One hand is not 2 hands, is 1 hand. We use sometimes for the clothes when we measuring the clothes. The other one, kifty, is when you use half of your hand. Kifty also we use half of your hand when we measuring also the big table, or also the clothes, the small clothes, and we use it sometimes the size of your toes or any measuring thing. Here is an arm. Arm is a 2 hand together. Start from here to here. Also sometimes we use this for a clothes. You know, marka loo isticmaalayo qiyaasta dharka, مثلا درع oo kale ma waarba ma nuswaarba ma, that's it. wax kuwaasan isticmaalnaa. Okay, so the unit of a length waa gacanta waxaan isticmaalinaa 4 unit. One is a hand span, wax weeyaan faraha, fingers. Hands is only 1 hand for clothes, and kubite also we use it for half of your hand to measuring, sometimes for table or for door, something that you next to you or you can measure in your hands. Arm also, we also most of the time we use this for clothes. We use it for a clothes. Dharka loo isticmaala. And other units, this one for step. This is we use it for the step. And this is step, a foot step. Sorry, I will change the picture in the right way. So foot steps, then when you use 2 hands, this one we measuring the classroom length or the ground when we play outside. And this one we use it for a step, foot step. Foot is only your legs, 1 leg and foot. So we use the step that you walk, and if you use your 2 legs, you close it, the 2 legs together to measure in, for example, your room, to measure in to kitchen. Try to do it that at home. I will change for you the picture, this picture, inshallah. So one more time, the unit of length is 4 unit for hand, hand span and hand cubit and arm. The other one for legs is a foot step. Foot step when you use it a long step, and foot for small step. Okay, so length, the measuring of a length. Exercise measuring this length. What is this measuring? The length of your table. The length of your table. What we use for using long for our table? Hand span. Hand span. So Now we want to guess your your table, how many hands tape is can be. So can try. You use it the table that you have in home. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, just we guess is a 5 hand spin. Okay. Other one is the length of your classroom. The length of your classroom, you don't use the hand spin. We use a foot step because a classroom is very big, and we use a foot step. So if we measure it, I think we do it that in the class. And when we guess, and some students are using and do it that exercise in the class, the classroom for especially class 2 or 1A, it's 12 foot step. 12 foot step. That's what I guess, and you can do it that for exercise, for the practice for you. Use the length of your room or length of your living room. And marka waxaad isticmaal kartaa qiyaasta. markaan isticmaalna qiyaasta table miiska waxaan isticmaal hand soap farahaagan isticmaalna. And when we use foot step, lugaha marka isticmaalsidna waa waxa waaweyn mida maqsinka oo kale, classroom ba imka kugu yiri qiyaas, maqsinkaaga oo kale, maqsinka hurdada, maqsinka cuntada lagu cuno, that waxaad isticmaalaysaa lugaha, foot step. Okay, bismillah. Now the length also for the calculation of length is a longer and shorter, or longer or shorter. Longer or shorter waxa weeyaan uu dheer yahay uu gaaban yahay. Example number 1, Ali is a longer than Usman. Ali is a longer than Usman. So Usman is a shorter than Ali. Usman is a shorter than Ali. So which one is Ali? Which one is Usman? This is Ali, and this is Usman. Okay, because Usman is a shorter than Ali. So Ali is a longer than Usman, and Usman is a shorter than Ali. Example number 2. The drum. Drum T is a longer than drum B, and so that means drum P is a shorter than drum T. So you guess which one is that, T or which one is B. So drum T is this one, and drum B is this one, because T is longer than B, and B is shorter than T. Good, excellent. So longer waa dherarka iyo gaabnida. Marka xagan waxaan example ka ugu horeeya Ali wuxuu ka dheer yahay Usman, Usman wuxuu ka gaaban yahay Ali. بالعربي علي أطول من عثمان وعثمان أقصر من علي. Good. الدرام waxa weeyaan tan wax lagu tumo laba xaraf aan haysanaa drum T iyo B. wuxuu ka horta drum T is a longer than drum B. T ba ka dheer B. marka maxaad maskaxda ka soo galaysaa ta dheer waxa weeyaan T, and drum B is a shorter than drum T. B marka tii noqonaysa ta gaaban, and this one is B. Good. Let's continue. Which one is a longer, shorter, or same? Have an example baan isiiyay, and you tell me which one is a shorter, longer, or same. keebaa dheer, keebaa gaaban, mise waa isku mid. أيهما أطول أو أقصر أو بنفس الطول أو متساويان. Don't confuse it. Picture ka, when you saw the picture, focus every time with the first picture. Focus with the first picture. A same picture, but you focus with the first picture. So this 2K, which one? When you start with the first picture, so the first K, what is long or short? Then the other K is excellent, is a short. Sorry. So the first K, so exercise class buuga markaad ka shaqeynaysiin labada sawir ta ugu horeysa isticmaal ta ugu horeysa may dheer tahay may gaaban tahay ma isku mid ba. So when you answer the exercise in your book, use it the long, just focus with the first picture and sawirka ugu horeeya. So the first K and the other K, so this is a short or shorter. It's shorter. The picture number 2, and we have a two spoon, it's not spoon, sorry, a tree, a small tree, and this one, look, the first picture, the second one. So what do you guess? Is a shorter or long? Excellent, is a long. Longer. This is G. So when you answer the exercise, just focus with the first picture. What do you have? markaad exercise ka shaqeynaysiin sawirka ugu horeeya eeg marka ugu horeeya muu dheer yahay mise uu gaaban yahay mise waa isku mid. And this is to both. Picture number 3. This is to both. What do you think? Is this one long or shorter or look? Is that what? Same. Good. So exercise is a focus with the first picture. ركزوا مع أول صورة إذا كانت أطول أو أقصر أو متساويا. صور كوجه هرية إيه مديرية مسو وجابية كوجه هرية مركز تتابسو. Continue. Now this picture is talking about إن شاء الله مركز نيسو ديتشينيو يعني صورة وسير لحكرين. So إن شاء الله the weight, the measuring, now we're talking about the weight. Weight وحويان علاسكا. Weight is علاسكا وحنا معلوسي هاي مسا معلوسة معلاس با مسوا خفيف. And when we guess the weight, we have a two word, heavier and lighter. Heavier and lighter. Heavier is something is a very heavy. That's mean I will change for you the picture. Sorry, this bag is a heavier. What do you think? Heavier is علاس. Yes, ثقيل. Lighter. This pencil is a lighter. This pencil is a lighter. This pencil, what do you think? Is a very lighter. That's mean add بو خفيف وياي. So علاس كمركا وزن كمركا نستعملنا the أوزان لما نقيس الأوزان we have only two, heavier and lighter. وعلاس يا خفيف. ثقيل وخفيف. Now the exercise, which is heavier or lighter? Focus, we have two girls here. This, the number 1, this basket is what? What do you think? This basket is what? Good. This basket is heavier or lighter? As you see, is a very lighter. So don't focus heavier ووحة علوس. Heavier. Lighter يعني واحد ستريقة كله واحد خفيف كا. So the first one is a lighter. Good. This girl, she's have a very lighter basket. And the other girl is, this firewood is what? Look at the picture. What do you see? Is a what? Very heavy. Good. As you see, is a very, come on, is a very heavy. Heavier. As you see, you can write in your book. So heavier is something is a very heavy. When your bag, when you come into school and your table is a very full table, what do you feel in your bag? Is very heavy. And if you have that day, you have a BE, you have a drawing, you have a drawing lessons, you have a So what do you feel? Your bag is lighter. markaad iskuulka timaadid oo jadwalkaagu buuxo casharo badan leedihid buugaagta soo wada qaatid shandadaada maxaad dareemaysaa heavy iyadoo culus. And when you come into school that day you have sometimes free day and you have a exercise day, PE, and that you feel your bag is lighter. Good. We have example and we give name for everyone. Fatima, and you tell me which one is a Fatima and which one is Sarah. Fatima's firewood is slash then Sarah. Fatima's firewood. Fatima qoryaha geedka ay haysato is slash then Sarah. Is maxaan oranaa? Excellent. Hyper. Wuu ka culus yahay. I write on the high va. And so then Sarah. Sarah, she's not have a firewood, but the Fatima and Sarah, which one has a fire? Which one has a haver? One is a Fatima. So this is Fatima. Sarah's basket is slash then Fatima. Sarah's basket is slash then Fatima. Sarah waxay haysaa mu ka culus yahay so ka khafiif then Fatima is what? Lighter. Excellent. Is a lighter. Come on. Let's go right lighter. L-I-G-H-E-R. Okay, my H. Wait again. So you when you write just and then or just you write the name is a lighter or heavier. Is a lighter or heavier. So in your exercise book, page I think 103, that's the example you have. So the example is you have Fatima's firewood is slash then Sarah. So Sarah's firewood is then Fatima. So just you write the two words that you write is heavier or lighter with the picture is explained for you. Yes, Assalamu alaikum. That's we finished. So your homework maths book, you have page 100, 101, 102, sorry, 3 and 4 and 105. You have a 5 page or 6 page that you answer inshallah at home. Good luck. Hope you enjoy and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.